Hey everyone, I'm Toby from the DJI Agriculture team, and in this video we'll introduce how to import a shapefile to your DJI Agras drone. If you already have a shapefile of the field that you want to spray or spread, either from a tractor or from a previous surveying project, you can import this shapefile to your DJI Agras app to generate field boundaries. Save the SHP and the DBF files of the shapefile in an SD card under the directory DJI/shapefile/. Next, insert the SD card into your remote controller. In the pop-up window, under Shapefile, select the file to import. If the pop-up window does not appear automatically, click the SD card inserted button on the upper right corner to bring up the window. Now you can find it in the Fields list. Please note that the shapefile has to be in a WGS84 geographic coordinate system. Also, please note that polygons are supported, but not points or lines. If there is more than one polygon in the shapefile, each polygon will be converted into separate fields in the Agras app. We hope this introduction to importing shapefiles has been helpful. Thanks for watching.